The Mahakumbh festival is currently underway in Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj, and each day is witnessing a record number of devotees who are taking the holy dip at Triveni Sangam. Many cultural events are also being lined up at various venues to entertain the visitors. And DD India's Deepika joins us from Prayagraj with more details. Hi Deepika, a very good morning to you. Where exactly are you? I think the weather has improved there. The sun is shining and people have smiles on their faces. What are you getting for us?
Good morning, Siddharth. We are right now inside the tent city under the Mela premises and the festival premises. And yes, it's a very bright sunny day. The cold is giving some relief to all the devotees who are continuously coming in. Today is day 9 of the Mahakumbh festival, and the devotees are continuously pouring in crores. Till now, if you talk about the data, around 8.9 crore people have taken the holy dip. And interestingly, Siddharth, the big industrialist Gautam Adani is scheduled to arrive in a very short while from now. He would be taking the holy snan, the holy dip here, and apart from that, he would be visiting the mega ISKCON camp and the kitchen, and he would be serving to people as well, to all the devotees here as well. And apart from that, many other big VIPs, VVIPs are expected to come throughout the day and throughout the this 45 days span period of Mahakumbh. I would now request quickly to my camera person to pan around and show you the visuals of this tent city, how the gurus have been allotted the ashrams here, how the gurus have been allotted the camps here, and this temporary setup looks very beautiful for all the devotees and looks very attractive. And apart from that, daily puja, daily arrangements have been made so that aartis and everything can take place for the devotees. And apart from that, there are also availability of free food for all the devotees here. You can see that all the devotees are coming here in large number to, take the snan, to take the holy dip here. And apart from that, this Mahakumbh also gives an opportunity to all the people who are really looking forward to have some sort of employment opportunity. There you can see that many small shops have also been placed here, so that devotees can also have the benefit of buying something, and the sellers can
also Deepika, very interestingly, the use of UPI is incredible there.
This very festival. We've seen many reports on that also, Siddharth, that how UPI technology is rather playing a key role here. From UPI to air ambulances to everything that has been technologically enabled. And not only UPI, when we talk about technology, health is also being focused as a major factor here, because many technologically driven machines have been kept here to treat the patients here who are coming in the form of devotees. And if they are having any sort of ailment, if they are having any sort of problem, they can visit those OPDs, and those OPDs are equipped with highly qualified machines which have been kept here. So technology is playing a major role here, straight from the water surfaces to air to land. Everything is technologically driven here.
Definitely. Deepika, since you mentioned that many VIP and VVIPs are expected to come and take holy dip in Triveni Sangam, what are the security arrangements? If you can just tell us something about that.
When we talk about the security arrangements, everything is AI enabled, from, navigating the area through the help of the AI chatbot, the Mahakumbh chatbot, to all the surveillance which have been kept here. There is a multi-layer security arrangement which have been put in place across Mahakumbh, not only in the tent city, but also near all the ghats which we can see. And apart from that, on the roads which are connecting from the airport or from the helipads to the Mahakumbh district, which is the 76th district of Uttar Pradesh, everything is being laser focused and is being monitored by all the officials here, by all the security personnel here, which is being directly monitored by the Lucknow force as well, the Lucknow UP police force as well. And apart from that, there is a continuous 24/7 monitoring by the CM's office of all the security arrangements here as well, Siddharth.
Definitely, Deepika. We can see some people behind you. They are looking at the camera. They are very excited. All the devotees and pilgrims who are coming here to take holy dip in Triveni Sangam. But thank you so much. We leave it there as of now, Deepika. Thank you.